In this section, we're going to look at tracks and clips. I'll begin by explaining the difference between those two. We'll look at how to use undo and redo, which is something we talked briefly about in previous videos. I'll then move on to the tracks themselves and how we want to arrange the tracks and lock the tracks. And then we'll talk about transitioning from one clip into another and how we use different kinds of transitions. Lastly, we'll talk about how we use cursor effects to show how the mouse will look on the screen, and if we need to zoom in on it or make it a different color or show different effects on the cursor itself. So let's start by understanding the difference between tracks and clips. So when I look at my project, I see at the bottom that I have these items called tracks. And when I'm talking about a track, I'm talking about every single thing that's in here in this one track. And then this is another track, and every single item is in this one track. Now, that's different than a clip. This is a clip. That's one piece. This is one piece. This is a clip as well. This is a clip. So sometimes I'll need to work with the entire track, everything that's in this row, but sometimes I may only need to work with one piece of what's on that row. So again, when I'm talking about the whole row, I'm talking about a track. When I'm talking about a piece of it, I'm talking about a clip.